Oh, estoy loco por fumar, man. What fumar? Oh shit, let me do the intro. I forgot. What's going on, baby? We out here, man, with another video. We got that boy Vic in the 750. We got Guido in the 600. Nice ass clean RSV4 factory, man. You guys already know. We got the homie too, man. We finna take some twisties ride. Meet up with some other homies. But that's gonna be for another video, man, because we're gonna be going to Mexico to do some races, man. So y'all boys stay tuned, man. You know I race Tito's bike, man, and a lot of people that know me hit me up to race his bike against their bike. And Tito's not here now, man, so it's crazy. So I cannot wait to get my 1,000, man. If I can do my own races, man, for real, man, I cannot wait, to be honest. Let's ride, baby. But yeah, man, we're finna go hit some twisties. It's probably not gonna be a lot of talking, but there is gonna be a lot of riding. Probably like a pure sound, raw video, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it started, man. Hopefully my fairings don't fly away. I do need some zip ties. No way my boy Guido standing in the back. Yeah, a lot of people didn't show up to today's ride due to the timing, but it's like, my nigga, I can't do this shit at 12. I can't do this at 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. in the afternoon when it's hot as hell, you know? Try to come out here early where there's no traffic, no people, nobody. We can have fun. have about 2 riders that they're the first time here, so I did told them, ride your own ride. I gave them the location where we're gonna be the end point. Man, that's the most important thing when you're about. I don't know why my shift is not freaking. What the hell? Let's go. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with it, man, but I know for sure there's nothing wrong with her, because if not, I wouldn't be riding the way I'm riding. Let's go, baby. Let's go. My boy Jose riding the R1 because yesterday we found out that his clutch cable on the motherfucking injector was messing up, so thank God he got another bike though. I don't want to be flying because I'm missing a zip tie, man. I don't want to lose my fairings. Even though I was flying already, but yeah. Well, I tell people, man, ride your own ride. Tell people all the time, ride your own ride, man, because this shit is dangerous. And it's out here, you know, like you crash out here, man, it's going to take some time for the kinematics to get it. What they gotta do is fix a lot of these fucking roads out here, man. The bumps out here are real.
like I have become better, like 10 times better than what I used to be on the curves when it comes to like taking twisties, and my confidence level has risen up to. Always with the thought of being scared, you know. When you're not scared is when you're dying. But alright, man, if you boys enjoyed this raw video, man, make sure you boys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man, and comment down below. See you boys in the next one.